Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!
What is up, YouTube? It is your boy, Sean P, and welcome to my newly named channel, Sean P TV. And today's video is my dread journey update. I'm on my, I think I'm 1 month in to my dread journey. Have not combed my hair or tried to comb my hair. Actually, I did try to comb my hair, but the reason for that is because I had a interview with the plumber's apprenticeship, and I was kind of worried about what they were gonna think if I was growing out dreads. And I think the night before, I just said, you know, pretty much F it, fuck it, and just like, and if they don't like my hairstyle, so be it. And it's been an interesting journey, pretty much, like growing the dreads out. It's just been, I'm in that awkward to ugly stage where you're trying to figure out what to do, and you're trying to learn so much information, and you're trying to figure out what really works for you. I really honestly don't know what really works for me yet, because I'm fairly new to growing dreads, trying to learn on the fly. I've used gel, but I'm so constantly washing my hair out almost every day that I don't really let the gel stay in. So I think I'm afraid of getting like mildew or buildup. I don't know, but it's been an interesting journey so far. I'm trying to take in all this information. I'm trying to, you know, do it with the sponge, towel rubbing, crochet hook. But the whole point of freeforming is to really just let it do its thing. Now, I used the sponge to kind of get the starter dreads going. And for the most part, man, it does what it's supposed to do. And the thing about this sponge, I was afraid to actually get this because I thought my hair might have been too long for this, but it seems to be working for me. You can tell I've been putting in work with it. I got hair all over the place on this thing, but I've been doing this twice a day, 10 minutes each, pretty much every day. There's days where I don't do it, but my issue is pretty much just like I've been washing my hair way too much. So I might have to cut back on washing my hair so much. Maybe just like once a week. And I've been using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo, but I might switch it up and go to Dr. Bronner's. I'm not sure yet, so trying to figure it out. I'm really just trying to figure everything out right now. But I recommend using the sponge if you're trying to get starter dreads. I don't know about the maintenance of them. I don't know if you crochet hook or go to a loctician. I'm still trying to figure stuff out. I'm really taking the cheap man's way out and just letting it kind of do its own thing with, just with the help of the sponge or the towel rubbing. Towel rubbing I haven't done. Might end up getting like a microfiber cloth maybe sometime in the next couple of days and see if that works. But for the most part, the sponge has been working for me, so I think I'm gonna just stick with that. But as you can see, it's kind of trying to come in. You can kind of see my hair trying to separate up here, and you can kind of see them trying to form somewhat. You know, a couple of dreads here, and I think I got like a Kango, something like, I said Kango, like Congo, somewhere up here, where like I got like three dreads trying to form in one. So, which I don't know how, because I don't think my hair is even locked up yet. But it's been interesting. I just been washing my hair way too much, and I hope, you know, a fellow dreadhead or somebody with dreads sees this video and maybe they can give me some pointers, some advice, tell me what to do, what not to do. But I'm embracing this, man. Like, I just started growing dreads just because it was just something new, and I just kind of got tired of like really picking my hair out every day and just, you know, just let it grow and just let it do its thing, man. Like, I'm interested to see what happens with my hair, what it does. So stay tuned for the journey. Watch your boy grow his dreads out and see what happens. I just hope I don't get like mold or mildew or one of them horror stories like that. But that's pretty much it on the update, man. Thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned. And with that, I'm out. Peace. Cut the damn camera off, Sean. Too early in the morning for this.